All right, so before we move on to today's assignment, what we're going to do is we're just going to review what we learned last week, which is groups and periods. Okay, so remember, groups go up and down, and they're the 18 vertical columns on the periodic table. Okay, so we talked about how groups, the group numbers up here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now, as eighth graders, we're really going to focus on groups 1 and 2, and then groups 13 through 18. I'm not saying we're going to ignore this area, but when it comes to looking at patterns, we're just going to kind of push off the transition metals. This area is called transition metals. Okay, so remember, groups go up or down. Periods are the 7 horizontal rows on the periodic table. So periods, they go across, all right? And so there's 7 periods or 7 rows. Now remember, on the left-hand side, it tells you, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Down here, you have the lanthanide series. That's part of period 6. And you have the actinide series. That's part of period 7. Okay? So now that we have that, let's talk about what we're going to learn today. So today, we are going to classify elements into groups based on their properties. So we're going to learn why elements are in groups or families. Okay, so we're going to learn that today, why they're in groups or families. And you guys are going to be able to, by the end of today, classify them. So you're going to be able to look at an element and just looking at that atom, tell me, oh, it's in group 1. I know this because. All right. So if you need a review, go ahead and review this PowerPoint or review this section. And if you're ready to move on, make sure you're following directions. Thanks, guys.